Upon seeing happy faces in this graduation ceremony, let me share my special greetings to the head teacher of the school, Mr. Candido M. Baron, the proud parents, persistent teachers, guest speaker and his family, the head teacher 3 of Macangkong Elementary School, Mr. Antonio C. Santos, active barangay captain and company, Mr. Juanito Esguera, and to all of you who wanted to witness the program set for the graduation of our preparatory pupils. A blissful evening. Tonight, we open a new leaf in our books of life. Graduation is a time to celebrate achievements, prepare for a future of opportunities, and embrace a world of infinite possibilities. We share this glorious moment to the graduates of Preparatory Batch 2010. As we have come to celebrate their achievements, indeed, this occasion epitomizes the preparation for the future of these young achievers. We will join the schooling next year for the elementary level. Bear in mind the value of education, for this will be your winning ticket to the fast-paced world of competitiveness. Start your dreams with passion in every endeavor you pursue. Opportunities in the future await those who aspire and those who are glad enough to accept challenges. Endless opportunities are laid for the Filipino graduates. It only takes passion to successfully pursue one. You might think preparatory is just a nonsense thing, but mind you, this stage plays a great role in moving to the next step of education. Ladies and gentlemen, the processional.
Dalumdum, video yun, video. Ayun.
Approaching the stage are the candidates for graduation, preparatory level of San Antonio Elementary School for the school year 2009 to 2010.